my name's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Basically what I thought we'd make today was my go-to banana bread that has 1, no oil and 2, no butter. So basically what we're putting in this banana bread is obviously some really extra ripe bananas. We're going to put some vanilla extract in, lots of honey. We're going to put 2 eggs in, some cinnamon, a pinch of salt. We're using self-raising flour, and also I'm going to put in some chopped up walnuts as well. Feel free to put any mixes in. You can put some little cocoa chop bits or other nuts, but I love my walnuts, so I'm going to put them in today. So let's get straight into it. I'm also putting some Greek yogurt in as well.
Days keep drifting away, wash up in waves of yesterday. Days keep drifting away, wash up in waves of yesterday. Sunsets on the avenue, I feel cool when I hang with you. Sunsets on the avenue, I feel cool when I hang with you. I feel cool when I hang with you. I feel cool when I hang with you. Sunsets on the avenue, I feel cool when I hang with you. Sunsets on the avenue, I feel cool when I hang with you. I feel cool. I feel cool. I feel cool. I feel cool. I feel cool when I hang with you. I feel cool when I hang with you. I feel cool when I hang with you. I feel cool. I feel cool when I hang with you. Days keep drifting away, wash up